Hello boys and girls, welcome back to some more mark making. Today Mrs. Wilton's got some sparkle in her tray, and what I want to show you today is the new letter sound and picture boot. Ooh, let's have a go together. Boot. Ooh, it's b. Wow. Hello, boot. Let's see how we write it. We start at the top. Here's my pointy finger. We're going to go down the laces to the heel and round the toe. Can you help me? Start at the top, down the laces to the heel and round the toe. Now let's have a go in the sparkle. Boot. Put my finger on. Let's go down the laces to the heel and round the toe. Wow! See if you can have a go and send us some pictures. Bye!